Hello friends, I hope you're doing dandy today. Wow, I've literally never said that word. Anyways, I hope you're having a great morning, day, evening, whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a good one. This vlog starts out on a Sunday. Well, it actually started out Saturday night. We had a really relaxing Saturday evening. We cleaned the house, stayed in, played chess, and had some hot chocolate. It was really, really fun and relaxing. Now we woke up to the snow being melted and it raining, which was good, but then it turned out to be not so good. It turned into freezing rain, which meant everything got completely frozen over. But those roads and those sidewalks were super icy, so no walks for us. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Vlogmas. It is Sunday and I just woke up, had breakfast, cleaned up a little bit. I'm going to change the bed sheets today because we have these cute like nutcracker ballet core bed sheets and I really want to get in the Christmas spirit. So I'm going to change those. And then today, all I have planned is honestly to relax. I do want to do some kind of a class, whether it's a spin class, a Pilates class, something in the morning to get me going, probably a Pilates class, and then maybe by the evening I'll do a spin class before I wash my hair and everything. But it's actually not snowing for once. I feel like every time I come on here, it's snowing so flipping much. Right now, it's raining. All the snow is going to melt away. Steven is currently shoveling the driveway. I'm going to go make food for Elsa because her tummy's a little bit upset. So we just go back to basics, make sure that her digestive system is a-okay. So I'll go make her lunch soon, but let's change the bed sheets first of all to our cute little nutcracker sheets. And I have to show you, I've showed you before, but let me show you again. Like, they're so soft and you can't tell me that they're not the softest or the cutest sheets in the world, with the little ballerina, the mouse king, the nutcracker. Clara is also dancing up here. You can't really see her because she's cut off, but I'm going to change the bed sheets into these to get in the Christmas spirit. And I also have to wrap gifts today. I have a few gifts that are like really awkward and weird to wrap, so we'll definitely have to do that today. Again, I just cannot get over how cute these sheets are. I'm just obsessed. I think they're so festive. I just love waking up in these. They're so cute. All right, friends. So one of the things that overwhelms me the most in this house is the closet. So today we are going to go through my closet and pitch things in a pile that I don't wear so I can donate them. Because I have far too many clothes and, I have a lot of articles of clothing that I just don't wear. So we're gonna go through that today, and also all the towels in the closet, because those two closets in this house drive me nuts, absolutely drive me nuts. And like, I used to clean my closet every single night when I lived alone. And it's harder when you live with someone else because you have other people's clothes, so you're like, I don't wanna like go through this and just organize this in a way that they might not like it. Obviously, Steven like literally doesn't care, but like, I just don't want to move anything that, you know, he'll have to find later. So I need to just take a whole day and organize the closet and just focus on that today, because I was going to save it for over the holidays, but you know what, I'm gonna do it now because I assume I will get things over the holidays either from myself or from loved ones. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna clear my space out so I can welcome new things and welcome new pieces so that I don't drive myself nuts going through the closet every day. I need to do the same thing for my drawers too. So that's the focus today. I am, however, going to do a Pilates class because I always feel so good, like warming up my body first thing in the morning, doing some stretching, yoga, whatever. So I'm gonna do that. Steven's working on cleaning the kitchen today, and honestly, it's stressing me out a lot. I'm not gonna lie. He's doing a great job, but there's like stuff everywhere, and I'm just avoiding that area today because it's stressing me out. He's doing a great job. It looks so much better, but I also know there's too many cooks in the kitchen, so I'm gonna stay up here, do a Pilates class, clean out the, what's it called? The closet. Today is the 8th.
It's a snowman, snow lady.
So cute. Oh, it's two of them?
No, just one.
Just the one.
Oh no, she's broken.
No, like me. All right, I've decided I'm going to do my own Pilates class. I'm going to roll up my mat, do it up here, and obviously I have to get changed out of this. So I'm wearing this top from Popflex. I really like it, and I'm also wearing these shorts from Forever 21. I'm also gonna throw this on top just because it's chilly, and I like this top. I think it's cute. I think it's cozy, and yeah, so that's the fit for my Pilates outfit. I'm going to do some skincare, throw a little bit of makeup on, roll out the mat, and I'll probably film this one for the new year. a ponytail obviously to work out in, but I'm going to film a workout and it's going to be a glute workout because people keep asking for that. So we're gonna film a glute workout. I'm gonna be super sore tomorrow. That's great. I love doing glute workouts though. They're honestly one of my favorites. I also just love like total body workouts, but I'm gonna do what the people ask for. Let's film a glute workout.
So I ended up recording a 20-minute Pilates mat workout, and let me know if you guys want to do like a challenge in the new year, maybe something every single day or some kind of workout plan, just something to keep myself and us motivated for the new year. I focused on total body, but primarily the legs, so it was definitely a really good workout. I felt really tired in a good way after.
All right, friends, I just finished editing the video I recorded, and look!
Now I have to stay here all day because you're just being so adorable.
Oh my gosh, I can't. You're so cute. But your girl is getting hungry. So once this is uploaded and dealt with, I'm gonna go have lunch. And then now I'm going to do the closet. It's already 1:30 and it took me quite a while to film and edit. I forgot how long it takes to do like a workout video. It doesn't feel like it takes that long because the workout is just like a workout and it's done. It's not like a vlog where I have to go through hours of footage, edit it really deeply. Like I just have to do the voiceover. But basically when I edit footage, like on here, I don't always go through all the footage. I just kind of like cut the parts that I can see. I do like a little breath moment like that I would cut. For example, I would cut something like that. See, you didn't see me breathe in that. But anyways, that's not very interesting for you guys. But you cannot do that in a workout because you have to do the voiceover for like the entirety of the video. So I just filmed a 23-minute video, which means I have to edit a 23-minute video that takes 23 minutes to edit and film. So it's basically an hour. But I'm really happy that I did it because I feel really good and ready for the day. But I'm gonna put on some sweats because it is chilly and I'm wearing like this. So I'm gonna go get changed. Although she's protesting me leaving, aren't you?
You must have eaten something.
No, my symptoms are consistent.
All right, so one of the things I want to do in terms of cleaning is making sure this area is nice and tidy because it's such like a cute makeup area. I just never use it because I always have like PR on it. It's just a mess and this is already looking a bit better. I have to put all the laundry away, it's clean. Then we are going to tackle this closet. It's not terrible, it could be worse. It honestly could be worse. But there's just so many like pieces I don't wear in here that I can at least put away. Not saying get rid of, but at least put away or like give to somebody else. That's a rug also up there. I need to find a use for it. I've had it for well over a year. But like I said, lots to do. Let's start.
So this definitely took longer than expected, and I ended up putting on a show, having a glass of wine, just diving right into it, and I thought I would get everything done today, but again, it took longer than expected. I guess I was more disorganized than I had initially thought. Honestly, the worst section is probably this because my drawers are just so full and not organized like I'd like them to be. So I'll definitely go through this, but we're gonna start with the closet. I feel like it's the easiest because there's more pieces in here that I like and I wanna keep. And then also this section, this is just a hot mess. This needs to be a little bit more organized. Guys, I'm not even going to lie to you. I'm not going to downplay this, but the part that stresses me out about our closet the most is definitely all this. So I'm gonna start with this. I was gonna start with everything that's hanging, but I'm gonna start with all this stuff because like I'll put things and it's not a good system that I have. I just fold it, smush it in. There needs to be a better way. I don't love these racks. I love these kinds of baskets, but I just haven't utilized them in the best way. So I'm going to completely empty this section out and then get to the hanging stuff because I feel like that's a little bit easier, and then tackle the drawer another day because that's definitely the hardest task. But like I could do a better job with this. Like what? It's just an avalanche. So I'm gonna do that right now. So this is the process right now. And the fun part about doing this is finding pieces you forgot about. For example, I totally forgot I had this tube top, so cute, and the skirt underneath it. These pants, like I forgot I owned half of these things and a bunch of these things. So now I will actually be able to wear them. So I'm kind of organizing like a pile of who knows if I'm gonna keep it, and I gotta deal with this and put it up. So it's only 4 o'clock. Still got lots of work to do. Okay, already it's looking so much better here. I'm so proud of this. These are all of Steven's things, and I've decided to put all of his things in the drawer, so it kind of forces me to clean out my drawers. And his pants are just so long that they always end up falling and like stressing me out and making a mess. So I'm going to put all of my clothes in the open space and all of his clothes in closed space.
You know what? I will say, as daunting as it seemed to do this task, it was so worth it, because even just going to bed and getting ready for bed, my life felt so much more together. And in the morning when I woke up, I didn't feel like I had nothing to wear or I couldn't find things. I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot I owned this or had this or whatever. I came downstairs to Steven actually cooking dinner, which was so delicious. Honestly, guys, if he wanted to, he would. That's all I have to say. Again, it smelled so good. It tasted so good. I was so happy with the meal that he made. It was a chef's plate that my mom actually gave to us. Then we made some croissants.
First one was misshapen.
They look good.
Ready? Get in on this. Nope, not you.
Elsa,
Oh, this one does not look good.
I'll eat it.
Oh no. That's okay. Okay.
Yum.
I feel like this one's gonna go well. Just the way it's presented and the way it's cut. They pro now. In the video, they kind of like made this centered more and pulled it out. Oh yeah, that's the one. Okay.
I'm gonna show them my stew. Black bean stew. Peppers, tomatoes, beans, garlic rice, and spinach.